Hello, my name's Owen, and today I'm going to review the new Grand Theft Auto 5. I've just received it through the post, as you can see. It's not been opened yet, it's still sealed, and I'm going to show you what the case looks like. Open. Ooh. And there you go, Grand Theft Auto 5. Been waiting a long 5 years for this game, and finally it's here, it's in my hand. I'm going to undo the wrapper. Ooh. I'm so excited! Don't you just hate this little thing on the side? There you go. There's the disc and everything. Fantastic. Oh look. There's a second disc with it. I have no idea what that is. Oh, got the disc here. And to be honest, I'm just gonna snap it. I don't even like Grand Theft Auto. Because Grand Theft Auto is shit.